What are you doing? Why are you making dinner?
I was trying to make dinner.
Cereals at Kroger. Oh my God.
Oh my God! Are you? What happened?
Tell me what it smells like.
Which one? Which one? Which? Ah! Fudge! Oh my God! You boys. Oh, show.
Isaac likes the Big Mac.
I like that a lot. Paid for that. You okay?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Deux, trois, go.
Drop it, right?
Slow.
Yep.
Real slow.
Gotcha.
Oh shit!
Fell off.
Not like that.
No, that was fast. It slipped off the side. It wasn't quite big enough.
Did you video it?
Yeah.